Mustang makes a pass at a...
What does it take to be a demon killer? No, I'm just messing. Tell us a little bit about the car.
It's a 2015 Mustang GT. It's ProCharged. It's a ProCharger D1 SC. It's a Stage 2 kit.
Right.
It's on E85. Other than that, it's got a lot of stuff done to it. Carbon fiber drive shaft, DSS half shafts, Mishimoto radiator, full Steeda suspension. Runs about 18 pounds of boost. It's as much as air as will move through a D1 SC ProCharger. Makes 930 at the tire. Forged Star 20-inch rims.
Right.
So that's probably not great for speed.
Any idea on weight? Is it up or down in weight from?
Last time I had it weighed with me and it was 4,100 pounds. It's probably at this point 200 pounds less than that. So I figure with me in it probably about 3,900 pounds.
It's a pretty good amount off stock, right?
Yeah, I mean, that's with the roll bar, which is 100 pounds.
Right.
Some of the other safety stuff is probably another 50 pounds in there.
ProCharger stuff's not light.
And yeah, the whole supercharger kit's 100 pounds. I lost, this is actually my first race with these, the Bear Errata Speed 2-piece rotors front and rear. Right. 30 pounds of rotating weight.
Wow.
They were expensive, but they're really cool, and they stop really, really well.
So what's the fastest that it's been in a half?
176 at Dallas.
Have you done quarter mile at all, or?
The car's not set up for it, so I have to shift into fifth for quarter miles. 355 rear end.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna make excuses. I'm also a terrible quarter mile driver, so I can do like a 10.6, but I'm cutting like 1.9 60 foot. I'm awful.
So you don't really bother much with it.
I don't. Yeah, I really like the half mile events.
Any favorite story pop out about the car along the way? Maybe something behind the scenes that people wouldn't know by looking at it, or anything like that?
No, it's just fun going to the events because nobody really expects it to do what it does.
Right.
Part of it is I have the cutouts, so was it QTP quick cutouts? So they're with them closed, it's loud, but it's not that loud. People go, oh yeah, cool, you got a Mustang GT, it's got an exhaust on it. Yeah. All right, maybe he's got an intake.
Yep.
But with them open, I mean, it just screams down, and so from the outside, there's not a lot to it, and then I go to an event like this, and then when I'm beating, McLaren 720Ss,
right,
people are like, wait a second.
You're doing something funny here.
Yeah, it's got to be something with that. Yeah, I mean, I see people online, they talk about, it must have like a Roush blower, or it's turbo. No,
right.
Do you want to see ProCharger?
What's your favorite kill so far?
Really, the Demon actually was probably my best one, because that thing gets off the line really, really quick.
Right.
When we were in Dallas, he gripped right off the line. I spun, and he just rocketed away, and I thought there was no way I'm going to catch him. Mm-hmm. But I did. I reeled him right in, and that was a lot of fun. And actually, just raced a CTSV wagon. That thing is stupid quick. He's heavy, so I guess I got that going for me. But we raced down door to door pretty much the entire way. He ran 163. I did 167.
Right.
That was fun.